doubt as to who has the momentum here now.
And the shot! It's anyone's ball. What a lovely, lovely day. Absolutely glorious weather here as we welcome you to a football match of considerable significance, great consequence in this part of the world. They've been talking about this one for a while and they have rolled up to it in fantastic numbers. You should have seen the roads outside the ground in the hour or two leading up to it. It has been bumper to bumper, the traffic has been extraordinary, but the level of expectation is also very, very high. And these supporters who were queuing round the block for their tickets as soon as we knew the date of the fixture, well, now they can't wait for it to begin. And begin it will any second now. And we have in Messi! Neymar goes short. Chance! Oh, nearly, but nearly is nothing.
Well, to put it this way, he's probably made better decisions.
Ferran Torres. Now it's Memphis Depay. He's through, now is he in? Has a pop! Goal! Barcelona! The lightness of step, the sharpness of movement, the certainty of finish.
That's always a great sight, you know, on a football pitch. Nimble-footed, showed great balance and a really cool head to finish. And that kind of dribbling is really smart.
Barcelona themselves into the lead. Still, oh, he's going to be pulled back for that one.
Well, this certainly fits the bill when it comes to the man.
Messi! Oh, that is special! A finish right from the top drawer. Dispatched expertly, nicely done. Has certainly made things interesting.
Oh, I think the coach will really be annoyed with that. The players were still thinking about their goal. It just got caught up.
It's Memphis Depay. Forward it goes. It's Memphis Depay! Oh, just lacked a decent finish. Marco Verratti. That's a foul, free kick's been given. And he's going to have his name taken. Bernat. Neymar. He hits it! Plays it forward. Oh, that's clearly not what he wanted to do. And it's Wijnaldum. Messi. The defence can get it clear. Memphis Depay takes it out to the wing, and the counter is on. Ferran Torres. Wijnaldum needs to get it forward quickly. And he's going long. That's promising, but eventually thwarted without doing any harm. Messi has a look inside the box. PK is the stronger in that contest. Regardless of the outcome, it is good to see someone running up the defence like that. Mbappe, Wijnaldum. He's got away. Oh, well defended. That had to be done. And this could be the final action of the first half. And it's been taken short. Messi. He's had a go! Goal! Even some of the opposing fans are clapping that. You just have to appreciate it.
You know what was notable in that, Peter, was the fact that he didn't try to blast it. He chose placement instead and delivered a peach.
Paris. Referee's had a look. He's blown his whistle for half-time. Paris Saint-Germain come roaring back in quite some style. We've got a very different game now. So we reached the halfway point.
Well, Peter, I'm just thinking of the best way to describe that. Frantic, frenzied. It was unmissable and it was irresistible. Forget about the analysis on this one, just enjoy it.
Paris Saint-Germain into the half-time break with a narrow advantage. It is 2-1. We're promptly into the second 45 minutes. The keeper's done ever so well.
Memphis Depay sparked a tremendous stop there, and I think it's fair to add, he just wasn't expecting it. Well, I'm not quite sure he needed to hold up play quite as much as he did then. A couple of his teammates were very annoyed.
Memphis Depay! Bernat drives it forward. And it's Neymar. He gets past his man. It's ball. Who's going to get that? Paris Saint-Germain couldn't do a whole lot with it there. Full sharpness in their passing. Doesn't get the pass he's looking for. Memphis Depay needed to come up with a better ball.
Oh, that just required a bit more oomph to reach its target.
That intervention was very necessary. Big chance! In it goes! A 2-goal lead and they're firmly in control.
Well, you know, thinking about that, I think they perfected that on the training ground because it took them seconds to get the ball from back to front. They really commit forward in numbers too. It was all very well drilled.
Paris Saint-Germain with a 2-goal lead and are looking good for the win.
Listen, it's up to them now how they think about it from here because, for me, it's crying out for them to force the issue.
Neymar. There'll be a throw-in. Shoots! And more and more and more! And they are pulling clear here. That is just remarkable, the amount of bend he got on that.
You know, I'm not going to be hard on the goalkeeper because that moved all over the place on its journey.
Paris Saint-Germain grab a 3-goal lead. It's just too easy.
No doubt as to who has the momentum here now.
And the shot! It's anyone's ball. Hits one! And with the goal at his mercy, a dreadful miss.
Yeah, on another occasion, all that went wrong, make them right.
Jordi Alba hoists it forward. Looks to dink one in. And he's there to clear it. Let's wrestle off the ball. Paredes. It's Icardi. Now it's Herrera. Herrera showed plenty of zest in getting to the ball, but couldn't quite sort it out. Well played, he saw that coming. Here's Mauro Icardi. Now it's Messi. And Messi! Oh, the keeper's equal to it. And that will be the final act. Paris Saint-Germain have done it in dramatic fashion. A massive test of character, and they passed it with flying colours. A truly outstanding comeback by any measure. Any reflections on what you've seen, Jim?
Paris Saint-Germain were very impressive here, Peter. The backbone of this team is so strong.
Only you